Thermax Water and Waste Solutions, leaders in water and wastewater management. Thermax provides single-point water and wastewater solutions to multiple sectors
such as residential,
hotels, educational institutes, hospitals, commercial complexes, IT sector, and industries. Thermax is launching its new prefabricated, modularized and compact sequential batch reactor product, Cube. With optimum and innovative design, Cube allows proper degradation of complex impurities like BOD, COD, total nitrogen and total phosphorus. With this, we are able to deliver high-quality treated water consistently with the novel drain siphoning mechanism patented by Thermax. Cube requires minimum attention on the ongoing process due to its highly modularized and automated functioning. Considering the new age and a plug-and-play design for the modularized sequential batch reactor, Cube is an aesthetically appealing product with a 50% reduction in area requirement for installation and 47% lesser height than other conventional offering. It also offers flexible loading options such as hydraulic or organic loading as per site conditions. With immense care and attention that we have in designing our products for protecting the environment, Cube is designed and built under NGT and standard safety norms. It also offers a silent sewage treatment solution. Cube comes in various sizes according to the requirements: 10 KLD, 20 KLD, 30 KLD, 50 KLD. A comprehensive extended services with the Cube gives better functional agility to operations. Thermax Connect, Thermax Care and Thermax Extra Care services. Basic assessment of plant by our expert. Timely checkup visits. Operation and maintenance with Thermax trained manpower. Cube, the perfect modularized, prefabricated, compact SBR solution for your wastewater requirements.